Welcome to the weekly preview of EURUSD for the first week of February. What we are expecting on the EURUSD is a down move, as we have been talking from the previous week. We had this bearish flag, but now it seems that we broke out to the downside. Be careful that this can be a trap and the price can just come back to this price and stay in the flag, then drop again. But for now, just look for the sells and look for the best entries at the smaller time frames. The target that we will test, it's 114 and 112. Because the last year we didn't test this target before when we were on the uptrend. So this will be the final target for the EURUSD in the incoming months. But first we need to break 119 and 116. This will be the first demand for EURUSD. But as I said, look only for sales now and look for the best entries at the smaller time frames. See you next week.